So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Misila. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're here for the second, third, and time, thank you for always watching my content. I really appreciate you supporting my channel. If you've not subscribed yet, then this is definitely the time to do so. So guys, as you can see, to side, today we are cleaning the bathroom. I want to show you how I clean my bathroom. I'm not saying that this is the best way to clean the bathroom. I'm just saying this is how I clean mine. If you have tips on how I can do it better, then of course I'll be glad to learn from you. Just write your tips in the comment section down below. If you appreciate what I do, say so also in the comment section. Feel free to give me your thoughts about my process. So guys, let's begin. So I always begin, guys, by putting Harpic in the toilet seat, then I'll let it soak while I clean the rest of the bathroom. So that's how I do it. I put Harpic in the toilet seat, then I just let it sit while I clean the rest of the bathroom. So guys, I'm going to show you the products that I actually use to clean the bathroom. So I use this Blue Touch bathroom cleaner. It removes dust just in one spray. So I use this Blue Touch to clean, but I also use some powder soap toss just to complement it. So I have some little water here, then I just put this powder soap, just a little bit of it. Just a little bit of it for cleaning. So yeah, that's how I do it. So let's clean the bathroom. I also use this. Yeah, it's the scouring pad. I also use it to clean. So yeah, let's do this. So I start by cleaning the walls. So I'll just spray this in the wall.
Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
cleaning my bathroom. And now that you're already here, let me give you a small tour of the bathroom. This is me looking all sweaty and homeless. Cleaning the bathroom is hard work, but for you to be able to have a clean bathroom and feel really nice when you go to shower, then you have to take the sacrifice. Let's take the tour. So I'll start from the farthest end. My bathroom is really long. So from the farthest end, of course, is that bathroom window, sliding windows. Then there's these two shelves. So up here I put the bathroom cleaner, toilet cleaner, air freshener, and bleach for washing clothes. And down here is the laundry soap, my conditioner, and the toilet bowls. Then down here there is a French shower. This one that I use to clean the walls like this, or to clean, French shower, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Then here is the toilet system. I put a small piece of decor here. I find it really nice. It just brings that kind of nice feeling in the toilet. Then the tissue paper. Down here is the one that I clean the toilet, the brushes, and the suction pump. Then here is the toilet bowl. I cleaned it. So as you can see, my floor is perfectly clean. Let me show you the walls after cleaning them. Just look at that. If you get to a bathroom and the walls actually look like this, you just want to shower, You just want to shower. The walls are so clean, so clean. So on this other side, yeah, I put here this shelf. I got it from Kilimall. So here I put my face wash, and I use this one from Gani. Always, Gani is my babe. Then this is hair shampoo from Miadi, and this is the shower gel that I actually use. Then there is a mirror here. Then here I put this also. These are the toothbrushes, and this is the toothpaste, like that. So I put this here for convenience. Then I also put this soap dish holder over here. So this is soap. Then down here is the sink. It's a sink for washing hands, brushing teeth. And I have this Fields of Africa hand wash for convenience. So up here, let me show you how it looks like. So that's how the whole area looks like. Then up there I put my shower, what are they called? Whatever, for bathing. Then I have my shower cup over there, and that's the door, and that's basically it. So this is an overall view of my bathroom. That's how it looks like. It's clean, very clean, by the way. I wish the walls were white to look even better. But this is what we have. So we deal with it just like that. You see how that decor just puts this nice feeling when you get to the bathroom. That's what I wanted. So thanks guys for staying with me. That will be it. Till next time. Bye.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.